children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read pronouns. Let us learn. Read the following descriptions. Arun is a student. He studies in a public school. Miss Aarti is his class teacher. She teaches him Hindi. The students are gentle. They respect their teachers. In this description, Arun, Miss Aarti and students are nouns. जो अरुण, मिस आरती और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो क्या है? नाउन है. नाउन कौन थे? हमने अभी जस्ट पढ़ा था उससे पहले, संज्ञा, किसी का नाम. तो ये सब क्या है? नाउन. बट वी हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड्स he, she and they respectively for them. Words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. किसी का नाम, चाहे किसी पर्सन का, प्लेस का या किसी का भी नाम है, वो हमारा संज्ञा है, नाउन है. लेकिन जब हम उसके बदले he, she, it या they का यूज कर देते हैं तो वो क्या होते हैं? प्रोनाउन. A pronoun is a word which replaces a noun and thus avoids its unnecessary repetition. प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? नाउन के बदले उनको रिप्लेस करते हैं. अगर मान लीजिए हमने राम का यूज़ किया है फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में, तो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में उसके बारे में जब हम बात करेंगे तो हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे? ही का. तो इससे क्या हुआ है? हमने दोबारा राम को यूज़ नहीं किया, और जब दोबारा राम को यूज़ नहीं किया तो हमने किस चीज़ को अवॉइड किया? अननेसेसरी रिपीटिशन को. Now, kinds of pronouns. Pronouns are of various kinds as detailed below. Number 1, personal pronouns. Pronouns used for various persons are called personal pronouns. These stand for the three persons. First person, the person speaking. Second person, the person spoken to. And the third person, the person spoken of. जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन हैं वो तीन तरह के हैं. कौन कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बात कर रहा है, सेकंड पर्सन जिसके पास हम बात कर रहे हैं, और जो थर्ड पर्सन है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो ये तीन तरह के हैं. नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. सब्जेक्ट आई, वी. Object, me, us. Possessive pronouns, mine, ours. Second person, you. Singular और plural, चाहे singular हो या plural हो, हम you जो है second person के लिए use करते हैं. Object, you. Possessive, yours. Third person, he, she, it, they. Object, him, her, it, them. और possessive pronouns, his, hers, its, theirs. Now read the sentences given below. I do yoga every day. We asked him to go. You didn't give me any money. She gave us some fruits. He went to the market with his mother. They learned their lessons. I helped them to learn English. It is a cow, it is ours. The pronouns I and we denote the persons or people speaking. These are pronouns of the first person. जो I और we है वो किसको डिनोट कर रहे हैं? जो बात कर रहे हैं या जो बोल रहे हैं, और इसलिए जो है ये क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है. The pronoun you denotes the person or people spoken to. जिससे हमने बात की है, जिसके पास हमने बोला है. तो यू जो डिनोट कर रहा है वो किसको कर रहा है? जिनसे हमने बात करी है. दिस इज अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन. द प्रोनाउंस ही, शी, दे डिनोट द पर्सन्स और पीपल स्पोकन ऑफ. दीज आर प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द थर्ड पर्सन. जो ही, शी और दे का यूज किया गया है वो किसको डिनोट कर रहे हैं? जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो ये थर्ड पर्सन है. It, although denotes the things spoken about, is also called a pronoun of the third person. Next is demonstrative pronouns. Now, demonstrative pronouns, they are used to point at someone or something. For example, this is my bat. That is a new ball. These are my shoes. Those are birds. Those are tall trees. This points at a person or thing which is near. This का यूज़ कहाँ करेंगे? Nearness के लिए, जो आपके पास में है. That points at a person or thing which is far from us. That का जो far है, जो दूर है हमसे. These points at people or things which we near. Again, जो these है वो nearness के लिए. Those points at people or things which are far from us. Those दूरी के लिए और these पास के लिए. Next is interrogative pronouns. They are used to ask questions. These are what, who, which, whom, whose, etc. For example, what is your name? Who gave you this book? Which is your school bag? Whose is this ball? जो whose, what, which हमने यूज़ किया है वो इंटेरोगेटिव है, जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, इनके थ्रू से हम क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज possessive pronouns. They show possession or ownership of someone over something. जो possessive pronoun होगा वो क्या शो करेगा? ओनरशिप को. जैसे कोई चीज़ किसी की है, मान लीजिए पेन है, तो ये पेन किसको बिलोंग कर रहा है? आपको बिलोंग करता है, या किसकी ये चीज़ किसकी है, कौन है इसका ओनर? जो पोजेशन को शो कर रहा है वो पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस बुक इज माइन. These pencils are ours. That pen is yours. This bag is hers. Next is reflexive pronouns. Pronouns such as myself, yourself, ourselves, himself, herself, etc. that refer back to the subject of a sentence are known as reflexive pronoun. जो सब्जेक्ट को ही रेफ़र करते हैं. जैसे माई सेल्फ, हमने सेल्फ का यूज़ किया है तो किसको रेफ़र कर रहा है? माई, सब्जेक्ट को. योर सेल्फ, आवर सेल्फ, हिम सेल्फ. तो ये जो सब्जेक्ट को ही रेफ़र करते हैं इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. दे आर कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस बिकॉज द एक्शन डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट्स और टर्न्स बैक अपॉन द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ही जो है ये शो करता है कि सब्जेक्ट को ही बिलोंग करता है, सब्जेक्ट को ही डिनोट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डिड इट माई सेल्फ, वी हर्ट आवर सेल्फ्स, यू शुड डू इट योर सेल्फ, दे विल ट्रेन themselves, he washed his clothes himself, she hurt herself. It is to be noted that each of these reflexive pronouns is used as the object of a verb and refers back to the same person or thing as denoted by the subject of the verb. Next is emphatic pronoun. Now, emphatic pronouns, personal pronouns, myself, yourself, herself, etc. that are used for emphasis are known as emphatic or emphasizing pronouns. Now look at the difference between reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Reflexive और emphatic pronoun के बीच में क्या difference है उसको देखिए. Reflexive pronoun, I told it to him myself. Emphatic, I myself told him this. You can explain it yourself. You yourself could do it. I was told this by Riya herself. Riya herself told me this. Now note, emphatic pronouns cannot stand alone as subject. If we say myself saw her do that, it's wrong. I myself saw her do that is correct. Reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns are used to show an action or a feeling being reciprocated or done in return to each other. For example, the son and the mother said bye to each other. The terrified girls hugged one another. Now note, reciprocal pronouns also have a possessive form. For example, both of us use each other's book. Next is relative pronouns. When the pronouns who, whom, whose, what, which are used to join two sentences and refer back to the nouns put before them, they are called relative pronouns. जब हम pronouns who, whom, whose, what, which को यूज़ करते हैं सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, और वो जो पहले नाउन हमने यूज़ किया है उसको रेफर करता है, तो वो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द गर्ल, दैट इज द मैन, दे आर द बॉयज, आई स्पोक टू हर, ही हेल्प्ड मी, दे वन द मैच. नाउ दिस इज द गर्ल, आई स्पोक टू हर, दिस इज द गर्ल whom I spoke. That is the man, he helped me. That is the man who helped me. They are the boys, they won the match. They are the boys who won the match. This is the lady, her hair is brown. This is the lady whose hair is brown. That is the toy, I bought it yesterday. That is the toy which I bought yesterday. Now in these sentences, the words whom, who, whose and which join the two sentences together. Here, whom refers to the girl, who refers to the man and the boy, whose refers to the lady and which refers to the toy. So these words are relative pronouns. The nouns that come before them are called their antecedents. Next, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns don't refer to any specific person, thing or amount. For example, everybody enjoyed the concert. There was no one at home yesterday. जो indefinite pronoun होता है वो किसी specific person या thing को refer नहीं करता. Study the table to understand the use of indefinite pronouns. For complete quantity, person, everyone, everybody, place, everywhere, thing, everything. For indefinite quantity, someone, somebody, somewhere, something. For negative sentences, anyone, anybody, anywhere, anything. None, no one, nobody, nowhere, nothing. Indefinite pronouns refer to a person or things in a general sense. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. किसी particular person या place या thing को ये refer नहीं करते. There is someone at the gate. All wish to be rich. Somebody has stolen my book. None of his poems are well known. Many of them are players. Did you ask anybody to come? One should do one's duty. No one knows its answer. One cannot be too careful about what one, not he, says. Note, none is a short form of not one. Yet it is commonly used with plural verbs. Now let us do underline the pronouns and write their kinds. आपको क्या करना है, जो ये pronouns हैं उनको underline करना है और उनके kinds को लिखना है. I hope this is clear to you now. It's time to revise. You can revise it.